Hello amazing people, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Judith. If you're just seeing my face for the very first time, I do everything skincare, beauty, and of course sometimes lifestyle. So stay with me until the end of this video because I'll be telling you just product one product you can use on your face to get rid of black spot this Christmas season. You can see I'm already in the spirit of Christmas, so this period is a period for us to get a glowing skin, a clear and smooth skin without filters. Yeah, that is why this channel is here, to help you out so that you can help yourself both on the inside and on the outside, and then you know the kind of skin products to use, okay, to actually begin to help at least with your skincare improvements. So this period I'll be bringing you guys back-to-back tips on products you use, on how to use the product, on types of products you can use this Christmas period that would keep your skin glowing all through. So make sure to check out my previous videos and you will be glad you did. You'll see different products I've talked about, how you can use them, how you can achieve a glowing skin. And so today I'm talking about the face, because many times when I make videos, I've seen comments where people talk about or always asking me questions like, can we use this on our face? Can we also use this product on our face? Can we use this do-it-yourself mix on our face? It's always about the face. Taking care of your skin doesn't stop and end, or doesn't start and end with your face. Your body too is very important. That is why sometimes, because we pay too much attention on our face, you notice that sometimes you see some people with, you know what I'm saying, Coke and Fanta. Fanta on the face, Coke on the body, because we pay so much attention on the face, forgetting the body, forgetting our knuckles, forgetting our feet, forgetting the heels of our feet. You know, there are major places we need to also pay attention when we are doing our skincare. Even our armpits, we forget those areas when we cream or lotion our body. We just go on with, just as that we're so used to, forgetting that there are some hidden areas, like all this in between our hands. You see here, especially this Harmattan period, you see here, they can look white for the world. You just ignore it when you're rubbing your body lotion. You just go on all the way up, down. We forget in between our toenails. We forget the heels of our feet. That is why this video is here, to always remind you, whenever you think or you feel you're missing out on a step, play on one of my videos and you'll see me putting you through all those processes, okay? So this one product is a product that will help clear out your dark spots. You don't need to do too much on your skin. So this product I'll be talking about is the VitaminC serum. This is by Skin. This product, you might not be able to get it around your area if you're watching me from other parts of the world. This particular VitaminC serum is by PS Skin. Okay, I've made a review about this product. I talked about how it assisted or how it helped me clear my dark spot and the cream reaction I had before. So in essence, what I'm trying to say in this video is that you can use even only vitamin C to clear out dark spot. You don't need to do too much. I found out because when I was treating my dark spot recently, there are days I forget to even use my face cream after using this VitaminC face serum, and all I did was just wash my face, use the serum, and I go to bed. And the next morning my skin is glowing, my skin is looking really nice. And then there are days even in the mornings when I don't even remember to use my face cream, or I don't just feel like using my face cream, because this one is so easy to absorb. I just cleanse my face and then I apply this VitaminC and then just go in with my sunscreen. And baby, my skin has been so healthy. It was like a food to my face. I used it particularly only for my face, please. Now, if you can't get this particular one, there is also the Dr. Rachel VitaminC serum. This particular serum here is by Dr. Rachel. It is also really good. You can actually get it in a skincare shop if you're watching me from other parts of the world. But then again, if you can't get that Dr. Rachel, you can always order it online. And also there's the L'Oreal VitaminC face serum. This one, L'Oreal Vitamin C face serum, is also really good, like very good. I used it when I started using serums. I think that was about 4 months or almost 6 months ago. That was when I used that L'Oreal Vitamin C. And baby, is it really good? It is very good. You can get it in a walk-in store. You could get them online. Like these days, these things are online. Any part of the world where you are, you can always get this product. Like you can just order them online and it will be delivered to you on your doorstep. So if you also have a face cream that you use, you can pair it with your vitamin C serum. Always make sure you have a vitamin C serum among your skincare routine. Vitamin C serum cannot be overemphasized on how good it is. Vitamin C serum is really good, especially when you get the really good ones that really have good amount of vitamin C in them, because vitamin C naturally on its own is good, be it in medication, if you're taking it as a supplement, if you're using it as a cream, or if you're using it as a serum. Anything that has vitamin C is really good. It naturally lightens up your body. It naturally helps to lighten up black spots, clear out hyperpigmentation, and keeps your skin really supple. So I've made a review before about the product I was using alongside this vitamin C. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below on how I cleared my hyperpigmentation. Everything I used that period were all vitamin C. They all had vitamin C in them, and baby, did they help me? They did my skin very good. Like they helped clear out all the hyperpigmentation, all the black spots I have, leaving my skin really supple. So like I said, you can use vitamin C alone to treat dark spots. Very good vitamin C, not just because there are so many vitamin C products in the market. Some don't even have good number, like good amount of vitamin C in them. Some get to reduce, like the potency tends to go off easily after one use. Maybe after opening it once, it just goes off, like the potency reduces with time. But if you get the ones that are really good, like this one that I've mentioned, and which I said, if it's not really easy for you to get in your area, you can order it online. There's also L'Oreal, there's Dr. Rachel. You can order Dr. Rachel online, or you can get it in a walk-in skincare store. Even L'Oreal, you can get L'Oreal Vitamin C, okay, in a walk-in skincare store. Like if it's a very big skincare store, you can get it there. It all depends on where you live. So these are really good vitamin C. There's also vitamin C from Ordinary. There's also vitamin C serum from La Roche-Posay, but I've not used vitamin C from these brands. But the ones I'm talking about are the ones I've used. L'Oreal Vitamin C before. I've used Dr. Rachel Vitamin C serum before. Like these are serums I'm talking about, and I'm still using this one. You can see this one is almost finished. Yeah, you can see where it is. If you remember when I made a review about this serum, it was somewhere here. So now you can see where it is now. See here. So I'm steadily using it. Like I don't joke with using my vitamin C serum, and the next one I'll be getting is the L'Oreal serum. So I might still be doing a review about the L'Oreal serum if you want me to, or if there is a need for me to do it. So if you are looking to actually get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, have a clear skin this December period without breaking the bank, or being confused on what to do on your skin because your skin is looking so not good, there's dark spot, there's hyperpigmentation, and probably don't want to spend too much money on face creams, just get a very good vitamin C serum. I've heard a lot of reviews about the Ordinary Vitamin C serum. I've also heard about La Roche-Posay again, Vitamin C serum. I've read the reviews on them and they've had really good reviews. So I might be trying them out if there is a need. Like for now, I don't think there's actually a need because the ones I've used, they really work for me. This one is always available, not like always. Where I got it is in a store close by. Around what store? I think it was in Primark. I got this one. So you can get it online, and you can also get the L'Oreal online, Dr. Rachel. So these are the ones I've used and they are good. So always try out any good vitamin C serum. These ones are the ones I'm reviewing about that I've used. They really helped in clearing out my hyperpigmentation. So that is all I have for this video. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching.